Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to update your iPhone iOS 17 to iOS 18. So let's take a look. You might be had an iPhone and you're looking for how to update your iPhone iOS 17 to iOS 18. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your iPhone settings section. After click over there, you will see screen appear just like this. From here, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something say general. Just simply click over general and then you will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here software update. After click over software update, we will see screen appear just like this. Might be your iPhone iOS 17 and it has 17 has some latest version like is 17.7, but we like to update to direct to 18. So what you have to do, you need to just scroll down and then you will see there is something going to appear down also available iOS 18, which is really quite interesting. So you have to click over available iOS 18 and then a screen going to appear just like this. You need to click here update now and then a screen going to be appear. So it's takes some time. Let me click again update now, and now it's saying to enter your passcode. So I have to enter my phone passcode, then it's going to be confirm, and now you can see it's going to be before download is giving you some terms and condition. You need to click here I agree and then say again I'm going to click here I agree, and then we'll see it's going to be downloading. After done, download that software and then it's going to be automatically going to be installed in your iPhone 15 or whatever phone you have. Now you can see after I had clicked download now, and that's going to be automatically download and it's going to be installed. After done install, it's going to be restart your phone couple of times and then your phone going to be ready to go use iPhone iOS 18 version. Here you go. Now you can see I had successfully installed done in my iPhone. Now I'm going to swipe up and we see it's saying to enter the passcode. So I'm going to type here my passcode, and now it's saying to software update completed. Your phone has been updated to iOS 18.0. So I'm going to click here continue, and it's saying to Face ID. I will say set up later. Anyway, let me see what else is coming. And then saying to iPhone license, share with Apple. Anyway, I'm going to click here and share with app developer. And it's saying to welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Now here I go. I had successfully updated my iPhone iOS 17 to iOS 18. So how you will know? If I jump over in my phone settings section, and now we'll see a new interface. If I go here, general, and if I click here about, we'll see now my iOS version 18. Also, if we click here, some changes. If I go jump over in my phone control center, we'll see the new faces of iPhone iOS 18 version. So this is, you can see I had successfully updated my iPhone iOS 17 to iOS 18. So it definitely takes some time to update. It's take around half an hour to update and install. And it's you might be looking for which version is supported iOS 18. If you have iPhone XR 2 up to latest version, all those going to be available iOS 18. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one.